Good morning to everyone. My name is Sheikh Muhammad Ahil. My school name is Brilliant Public English Medium School. I am studying 5th class. My topic is area and perimeter formulas. Square. Area of square is equal to side into side. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Diagonal of square is equal to root 2 into side. Area of square is equal to d square by 2. Rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Diagonal of rectangle is equal to root L square plus B square. Length is equal to area by breadth. Breadth is equal to area by length. Length is equal to perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Breadth is equal to perimeter by 2 minus length. Triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. Area of scalene triangle is equal to root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Area of isoscalene triangle is equal to b by 4 into root of 4a square minus b square. Height of equal triangle is equal to root 3 by 2 into a. Height of isoscalene triangle is equal to root 4a square minus b square by 2. Circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. Circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r plus d or pi r plus 2r. Rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into h1 plus h2. Trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b into h. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to b into h. Cube. LSA of cube is equal to 4a square. CSA of cube is equal to 6a square. Volume of cube is equal to a cube. Cuboid. LSA of cuboid is equal to 2h into l plus b. CSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into lb plus bh plus hl. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Cylinder. LSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Cone. LSA of cone is equal to pi r l. CSA of cone is equal to pi r into r plus l. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sphere. LSA of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. CSA of sphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you.